Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to talk about the Sanrio Characters Invitation in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up the event menu and then you'll see Sanrio Characters Invitation. And then here you'll see a puzzle piece, and then you need to log in every day to unlock the puzzle piece. I've already unlocked for today, and I got the exhibition pass. So yeah, don't forget to open up this menu guys for your daily login, and then you will unlock the puzzle piece. Okay, just like this. And the rewards are exhibition pass and also the building permit, cinema roll store wallpaper, and so on. Okay, I'm gonna close it. Okay guys, and that's all about the Sanrio Characters Invitation in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.